Okay, so there's also a flow of this Arctic bottom water, which is the dense water formed in the Arctic Ocean, and it spreads into the Greenland Sea, Norwegian Sea system, in the Nordic Seas or the Chin Seas, and circulates in these regions. And here's a little map of these circulations, also derived from measurements, essentially. And you have a circulation in these systems, relatively slow circulations. And the reason why I show this image is actually that this water is almost stagnant in these areas. It's not what drives the deep circulation in the world ocean. As you can see, it's in water depth. It's not connected at all to the overflow. The overflow takes place at depth below 1,000 meters. It's only the water below 1,000 at that depth that actually drives the overflows to the west and to the east of Iceland. Okay? So let's just summarize what happens in Fram Strait. What type of exchange do you actually get in Fram Strait? Okay, going back to the definition of Mediterranean seas, and what type of Mediterranean Sea is the and this is done here. The exchange flow through Fram Strait actually has 3 layers. 3-layer circulation. And you already learned that there's an outflow of fresh surface water and sea ice into the Greenland Sea near the surface. This is essentially takes place within the East Greenland Current. It's shown here in this sketch at the bottom. And at the same time, there's also a flow of Arctic bottom water into the Greenland Sea. This is the outflow of Arctic bottom water into the Greenland Sea, which influences the density of the in deeper layers, essentially. And at the same time, you have an inflow of warm water from the North Atlantic, which goes into the Arctic. Yeah, so essentially, if you look at the water balance, the Arctic Ocean is a dilution basin, but at the same time, it also has features of a concentration basin, and that comes from the dense water formation in polynyas during winter time. Okay, so that makes it quite special. Okay, let's have a look at that inflow of North Atlantic water into the Arctic. Can you actually trace this water? How do you trace this water? Think about it.